Hello kids, welcome to today's math class, and today we'll do the triangle and its properties. Introduction. You already know about triangles and their properties based on angle and side. In this chapter, we shall extend our knowledge further. Let's recall the definition of the triangle and its part. The triangle is a three-sided closed figure made up of line segment. Triangle ABC had three sides, AB, BC and CA. Further, angle ABC, angle BCA and angle CAB are its three angles, and ABC are the three vertices. So here it is a triangle. It has three sides, AB, BC and AC, and three angles, A, B and C, and three vertices, A, B and C. Clear? Next is note to remember. The three sides and three angles of the triangle are collectively known as the element of triangle. Next is various types of triangles. First, on the basis of sides. First one is equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all three sides are equal in length is called equilateral triangle. Measure of each angle of the equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So, triangle का क्या होगा? 60 plus 60 plus 60 total 180 degree in the given figure. Triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Says PQ equals to QR equals to PR equals to 5 centimeter. So, in equilateral triangle, all sides will be of same measurement. So, here PQ, QR and PR all of 5 centimeter. That it is an equilateral triangle. Clear? Next is an isosceles triangle. A triangle in which two sides are equal in length is called isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. In the given figure, triangle ABC, isosceles triangle, since AB equals to AC, that is 4 centimeter, angle B and angle C are equal. So here ABC as an isosceles triangle has two sides. AB and AC both are equal, 4 centimeter, third side is different, and the angle opposite to the same sides are equal. So, angle B and C would be equal in isosceles triangle. Next is note to remember. The non-equal side of an isosceles triangle is called the base. The base angle of an isosceles triangle have equal measure. Next is scalene triangle. A triangle having all sides of different length is called scalene triangle. In the figure given below, triangle MNP is an scalene triangle. Here the triangle MNP is scalene triangle because all three sides are of different measurement. It is 3, 6 and 5. So, all are of different measurement. So, it is a scalene triangle. Next is naming triangle according to angles. Earlier we have did naming triangle according to sides. Now we will do according to angles. First is acute angle triangle. A triangle whose each angle measure less than 90 degree is acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle, the triangle one of whom angle measure 90 degree means कोई भी एक angle 90 degree का होगा, that is called right angle triangle. Next is obtuse angle triangle. A triangle one of whose angle measure more than 90 degree means one angle will be obtuse, other will be acute, is called obtuse angle triangle. So, here all angle are less than 90 degree, acute angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle and this is obtuse angle triangle because one of the angle here, this angle is obtuse angle. Clear? Next is median of triangle. The line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite sides is called the median of the triangle. A triangle has three medians. Since the triangle has three vertices, three sides opposite to each of the vertices, so for each vertex there is a median of a triangle. Hence, the triangle has three medians. In the figure second, we can see that the median AD, BE and CF of the triangle ABC pass through the same point G. This point is called centroid of the triangle. Centroid is the point of intersection of all median of the triangle. So here from the vertex to the opposite side, ठीक है, vertex से जो opposite side को line segment join करता है, that is known as median. Triangle have 3 medians because 3 vertices होते हैं. All intersect is one point. This point is known as centroid. Clear? Next is altitude of triangle. The perpendicular line segment from the vertex of the triangle to its opposite side is called the altitude of the triangle. A triangle has 3 altitudes. In the figure 1, as the altitude of the triangle ABC from vertex A. So from the vertex to the opposite side, the perpendicular line segment, that is known as altitude. Means 90 degree का angle बनना चाहिए, like here. So here this is the altitude. This is the altitude, and here 3 altitudes are there. Clear? In the figure second, D is the altitude of triangle DEF from the vertex D. The figure third, PL is the altitude of triangle PQR from the vertex P. In figure 4, we see that the 3 altitudes AD, BE and CF of triangle ABC meet at the same point H. This point H is called the orthocenter of the triangle ABC. जहाँ पे भी तीनों meet करते हैं altitude, that point is known as orthocenter of the triangle. Next is note to remember. An altitude is the shortest distance from the vertex to the opposite side. An altitude might be outside the triangle as in the adjoining figure. So here it's outside the triangle. Clear? An altitude might be outside of the triangle as in the adjoining figure. Here AD is altitude, means perpendicular to BC. Here AD altitude, it is outside the triangle and it is perpendicular to BC. BC ये है, इसके perpendicular है. AD is the altitude drawn from the vertex A to the base BC of the triangle ABC. Next is angle sum property of a triangle. If we measure the 3 angles of triangle, we find their sum is equal to 2 right angles or equals to 180 degree. So for a triangle ABC, angle A plus B plus C, that is equals to 180 degree. This fact is known as the angle sum property of triangle. Next is proof of angle sum property of triangle. Here a triangle ABC is given. We have to prove that an angle A, B plus C, that is equals to 180 degree. Construction: draw a line segment PQ through A and parallel to BC. We'll draw a line segment PQ through A that is parallel to BC. इस साइड के parallel होगा. Now statement and reason. Angle 2 equals to 5. Angle 2 equals to 5. Alternate angle हो जाएंगे. Angle 3 equals to 4. Again they are alternate angles, alternate interior angles. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to angle 5 plus angle 4. Adding 1 and 2. Clear? Angle 1 plus 2 plus angle 3. हमने क्या किया है? Angle 2 plus 3 किसके इक्वल होंगे? Angle 5 और 4 के. ठीक है? So what we have done? We have added angle 1 to the both sides. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to क्या हो जाएगा? Angle 5 plus 4 plus 1. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4 plus 1. ये कितना हो जाएगा? Total 180 degree. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to हो जाएगा 180 degree. Clear? Angle 5 and 4 plus 1 180 degree because they are linear pair. So hence we have proved that the sum of the angle of triangle, that is equals to 180 degree. That is the angle sum property of triangle. Next is note to remember. A triangle cannot have more than one right angle. the triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle. In the right angle triangle, the sum of two acute angles is 90 degree. The sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. We will take an example. Find the value of unknown x in the following triangles. So here two angles are given, 40 and 70 degree. We have to find the third angle. So as we know by angle sum property of the triangle, the sum of all three angles is 180 degree. So here angle P Q plus R equals to 180 degree. We have to find the value of angle Q, that is equals to x. So we put the value 40 plus x plus 70, that is 180 degree. X plus 110, 180 degree हो जाएगा. X equals to क्या हो जाएगा? 180 minus 110, 70 degree. Clear? So third angle जो हो जाएगा 70 degree. If we add all three angles, 70 plus 40, that is equals to 180 degree. Clear? Next is exercise 6.1. Fill in the blanks. Opposite sides or equal angle are equal. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is exterior angle property of a triangle. Observe the following figure. The side BC of the triangle ABC is extended to x. Then angle ACX so formed is the exterior angle at the vertex C of the triangle ABC. What we have done here? Side BC is extended to point x. Now the angle ACX, that is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle ABC and angle BAC are the interior opposite angles, and angle ACB is exterior adjacent angle of the exterior angle, angle ACX. So here the angle ABC means this and this. They are the interior opposite angle of angle ACX. Clear? Similarly, if AC is extended to y, then angle BCY, angle BCY, अगर हम इसको एक्सटेंड करें इस डायरेक्शन में तो एंगल BCY, यहाँ जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल बनेगा, is also the exterior angle of triangle ABC at C. Like here, this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. Exterior angle जो होता है triangle का, that is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. Sum of two opposite interior angle. In the given figure, angle ACX, angle ACX, that is equals to किसके होगा? Angle BAC, angle BAC means this and angle ABC this, इन दोनों के सम के इक्वल होगा. Clear? Next is verification. For verification, first we will draw a triangle ABC and extend its side AB to form the exterior angle CBX as shown in the figure 1. Using the projector, measure the exterior angle CBX and the interior opposite angle A and C. Finally, find the sum of the angle A and C. What do you observe? We observe that A and C, angle A and C, इनका जो sum है that is equals to angle CBX, that is equals to this. Clear? So again, draw a triangle ABC and extend its side AC to form the exterior angle BCY as shown in the figure 2. Using the protractor, measure exterior angle BCY and interior angles A and B. Find the sum of the angle A and B. What do you observe? We observe that A plus B equals to BCY. हम दूसरी sides को भी extend करके we can try, we'll see कि जो exterior angle है that is equals to the sum of opposite two interior angle. Clear? Hence we conclude the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. The above fact can be proved logically as follow. So here a triangle is given ABC whose side BC, BC कौन सी side से BC, that can be extended to the point D to get the exterior angle, that is ACD. Now we have to prove that the angle ACD, that is equals to angle A and plus angle B. Now mark the angles indicated in the figure. Statement: 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 180 degree, angle sum property of the triangle. Angle 3 plus angle 4, they are the linear pair, that is equals to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus 4 equals to किसके हो जाएंगे 1 plus 2 plus 3, we have equated 1 and 2, तो उसके equal हो जाएंगे. That means angle 4 equals to क्या हो जाएगा, angle 3 को उस साइड ले जाएंगे तो angle 3 कट हो जाएगा. Angle 4 equals to 1 plus 2, means the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. Hence angle ACD equals to angle BAC plus angle ABC, or exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Next, note to remember: exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle form the linear pair. The exterior angle of the triangle is greater than each of its interior opposite angle. We will take an example. Find the value of unknown angle x in the following figure. So here we have to find the value of exterior angle x. As we know, in triangle the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. So 40 plus 70, that is equals to 110. So angle ACD x degree जो है that is equals to 110 degree. Clear? Next is exercise 6.2. Find the value of unknown angle x and y in the following figure. Here one exterior angle is given and angle B is given. We have to find the value of angle A. As we know, triangle की जो property होती है exterior angle property, according to that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle, means angle A plus angle B equals to angle ACD, means 70 plus x degree equals to 120 degree. So value of x क्या हो जाएगा, x equals to 120 minus 70, that is equals to 50 degree. So angle A will be of 50 degree. Next is triangular inequality. Property: the sum of the length of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. To verify the above property, perform this activity. Verification: draw any four triangles of different shapes and size and label each triangle as triangle ABC. In each case, measure of side AB, BC and CA and find the sum AB plus BC, BC plus CA and CA plus AB. In each case, you will observe that AB plus BC is greater than AC, BC plus CA greater than AB and CA plus AB is greater than BC. Means sum of any two sides is greater than that of third side. Thus we can say that the sum of the length of two sides of the triangle is greater than that of third side. We also find that the difference between the length of any two sides of the triangle is smaller than that the length of third side. We will take an example. Is it possible to draw a triangle with the side 3 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm? As we know, the sum of any two sides is greater than third side. So by this property we can check. So 3 plus 5, that is 8, is greater than third side, that is 6 cm. Here 5 plus 6, that is 11, greater than third side 3 cm. 3 plus 6, that is greater than 5. So, in all three cases, the sum of the length of two sides is greater than third side, hence the triangle is possible. Next is exercise 6.3. Is it possible to draw a triangle if the length of whose sides are 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm? So, check 3 plus 4 greater than 5. Clear? Now, I will take 4 plus 5, then greater than 3 cm. Yes, 4 plus 5, that is 9, third side. Now, 3 plus 5, then greater than third side. 8 is greater than 4. So, this triangle is possible. So, by this property, we can check whether the given side, with the given side, whether the triangle is possible or not. Next is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras was an eminent Greek philosopher who was born in 500 BC and died in 580 BC. 500 and 580. He gave a wonderful relation between the length of the side of the right angle triangle with the which is known as Pythagoras theorem. In the right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals to the sum of the square of its remaining two sides. In the right angle triangle ABC, in which angle C equals to 90 degree. So, the side opposite to the 90 degree, that is called the hypotenuse of triangle. So, hypotenuse कौन सी होगी? AB. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square equals to हो जाएगा BC square plus CA square. If AB C है, BC A and AC B, then hypotenuse square किसके equal होगा? base square plus perpendicular square. Means C square equals to A square plus B square, which is known as Pythagoras theorem. Verification. Draw any three sides of the triangle, each labeled as a triangle ABC, in each case angle B being right angle. Measure the side AC and the hypotenuse B in each case. So, to compute A square, C square, B square, fill up the following table. Here, triangle ABC, B is the right angle, means here, in first case, AC is the hypotenuse, that is B square. So, first we will write any measurement for these given side. So, here, the B square will be equal to A square plus C square. So, first we will write measurement of different side and then fill the table. Clear? So, we see that in each case the difference B square minus A square plus C square either 0 or so small that it can be ignored. Hence, B square equals to A square plus C square. Clear? By this way we can prove this. Next, converse of Pythagoras theorem. If the square of one side of the triangle is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, then the angle opposite the first side is a right angle. To verify the above theorem, perform the activity given on the next page. So, according to this property, if the square of one side means one side triangle किसी भी एक one side का square होगा, that is equal to the sum of square of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side, जो first side के opposite angle होगा वो right angle होगा. Verification. Observe the following triangle. In the first figure, for the triangle AC square, that is hypotenuse, the side opposite to right angle, that is equals to the BC square plus AB square, means 10 ka square equals to 6 square plus 8 square. Clear? So, to measure angle ABC, you will find that angle ABC is 90 degree. Same we will find out for the other triangles like here. ये हो जाएगा 10 का स्क्वायर 6 स्क्वायर प्लस 8 का स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ पे वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? 10 का स्क्वायर 100, 6 का स्क्वायर 36 प्लस 8 का स्क्वायर 64, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 100. Clear? So what do you conclude? From the above activity, we can say that if square of one side of the triangle is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, that means the angle opposite to the first side is right angle triangle. Thus, the converse of Pythagoras theorem is true. Next is Pythagoras triplets. Three positive integers a, b and c in a very same order are said to be Pythagorean triplets if c square equals to a square plus b square. For example, 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 8, 15, 17 and some example of Pythagorean triplets. Now, we will take an example. The length of the side of the right angles are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the length of its hypotenuse. Let ABC, this triangle is given, which is right angle at B, means AC is hypotenuse. Here AB is given 6 centimeter and BC given 8 centimeter. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square means hypotenuse का square किसके equal हो जाएगा? AB square plus BC square. So AC square equals to 6 का square plus 8 का square, 36 plus 64 that is 100. So AC equals to क्या हो जाएगा? Square हटाएंगे तो root आ जाएगा, root 100 that is equals to 10. Hence the length of a hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. Next is exercise 6.4. Find the unknown length y in the following figure. Here two sides are given 6 and 8. Right angle is at B, means this is hypotenuse. So y square equals to किसके हो जाएगा? 8 का square plus 6 का square, 36. Clear? That is equals to 100. So y square equals to 100. Y equals to root 100. That is equals to 10. Clear? So third side है वो कितनी आ जाएगी? 10. Next is things to remember. The three sides and three angles of the triangle are called the parts or the element of triangle. The boundary and the interior of the triangle form the triangular region. Angles and property of the triangle. The sum of the measure of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Exterior angle property of the triangle. If the side of triangle is produced, then exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. Isosceles triangle property. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. Side opposite to the equal side of the triangle are equal. Triangle inequality. In the triangle, the sum of the length of any two sides is greater than that of the third side. Pythagoras theorem or the Pythagoras property. In the right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the legs. Three positive integers a, b and c are said to form the Pythagorean triplets if c square equals to a square plus b square. Clear? Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. In h square equals to p square plus b square, h is known as hypotenuse. So A is the correct option. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.